Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you how to replace your side mirror indicator lamp. Nowadays most of the car is provided with side mirror indicator lamp, and if it goes wrong or if it is not working, you could able to change it by yourself. So I will recommend, don't go to the garage, try to change it yourself. It will save a lot of money. So in this process I will show you, it is a really easy process and you could able to do or change the light. So let's see how I have able to change the side mirror indicator lamp. Let's start the project. So friend, you could able to purchase this type of side mirror indicator lamp from Amazon, and I am replacing the side mirror indicator lamp of Swift Desire. So this type of lamp will cost you around 240 rupees approx, and you don't need to change both the light which is not working. You can purchase that light, and in garage this type of light will cost you around 2500 rupees, and you have to purchase both the light. So if you don't have money, go for this. So first open the top cover of the side mirror indicator. After that, here is the new one, which is cost only 240 rupees. Quality wise it is really not so good, but look wise there is no difference, and the light is also good. So first remove the old one from its position by unscrewing. After that, install the new one to its position and fix it with the side mirror like this way. After installation, you can see I have installed it. You have to connect the two wires. The black one is negative and the blue wire is positive. So I will recommend, don't cut the original wire, so because original system is provided with jack and the duplicate system will not be provided with jack. So try to install like this way. So if you cut anywhere of your vehicle, the warranty will be void. So try to avoid this type of cutting of wire. So install like this way and wrap it with black tape, and it will work without any issue. So the installation part is completed, the connection part is completed. You can see the old one was provided with jack. So just install like this way and it will work. So after installation, you can see it is working amazing and the light quality is not so bad. So friends, I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you. Help me to increase my subscriber. Thank you.